All right. I think we're live. Let me find out. Link copied. Boom. What's going on, brother? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Yo. We're about to start doing some technical analysis. Let me just... We full porting CPI tomorrow. Fuck around and might do it on an eval. Who knows? Give me 1 second, team. Boom. Okay. Now I'm ready to go. Now I'm ready to go. I just checked yesterday, yeah. Okay, so there's no news today. That means a move could have literally already happened. Seems like we have relative equal highs. Did ES take it? July 6th. So ES already took it. This is that high. ES took the high, NQ didn't. That's an SMT. Relative equal. Lows have been swept. Okay. $4-hour untapped FEG. So yeah, I am in favor of longs here. Okay, let's look at gold. Man, today already looks kind of a little tricky. Syed, good morning. Good morning, lady. Good morning, guys. Good morning, ladies. Let's look at gold. What is gold doing? Gold is continuing a bearish downtrend. That's exactly what gold is doing. Gold is continuing a bearish downtrend today. We have no news on Trump messing around, so we got to be careful. On the 1 hour time frame, what have we done here? We swept this liquidity. Let me go to like the 15-minute. We've swept this liquidity and we've started putting in lower highs and lower lows. So we swept out these highs and these highs, put in a new low. So we have to watch and see. We have to see what the market wants to give us today. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. How was y'all's week last week? How's y'all's week? Last week was rough. Yeah, it was. It was hard. I'll be honest. Friday almost killed me because of a Trump tweet. Yeah, that's why I just didn't trade Friday. That's exactly why I just didn't trade Friday. I let that shit go. You're currently in a gold buy. I just woke up. You're trading chop, but good luck. If this 15-minute inverses, then you might be clear. So good luck. I'm expecting today to be extremely low volatility and extremely low volume because tomorrow is CPI and Wednesday is PPI. But I want to see what it gives us. And I will take a trade today and use extremely light risk if we get a setup. Because it's CPI, baby. I am in longs while that dump happened and my stops did not fill. Oh my God. Wow. Hey guys, I know some of y'all, what are you looking for setup wise? Um, if I'm being real, nothing specific. I'm just looking at the market right now. Think about it. This reaction is happening from like random. Is there anything on the 4 hour? No. It's like I do expect us to I low-key do expect us to flip back bullish. I don't expect this to last. So I do expect us to flip back bullish on NASDAQ. I think this is the protected low. We don't dip below this low. That means this 1 hour gap has to hold. And I want to see it hold. If I want to see it hold, I drop down to the 5 minute. It's like, yeah. And then on gold, I think gold is extremely bearish. Like, you can't deny market structure. Look at it. That shit's just moving down. I think that's what the hell's gonna happen. If not today, definitely tomorrow. What's going on, Mafia? Oh. Hey guys, did anybody get these Blue Guardian accounts? If y'all did, how do you like them so far? Should be unbanned in most of y'all's country. Anybody got one this morning? Hey, let's go. Significantly cheaper than the CFD shit you've been trading. You're fire? Let's go. Let's go. See, I told y'all boys I got you, man. I told y'all boys I got you. Just remember though that you should the bundle deal is your best deal that they have. Man. Yeah, you can. You can. If you do your due diligence and you trade smart. Used my code. I appreciate you, brother. I'm just gonna give it right back to y'all. I'm doing a Blue Guardian giveaway. I'm gonna buy 2 winners a funded account, a 50K funded account. So make sure y'all are in the Discord because I'll be doing a Blue Guardian giveaway. And then I think it's time I do a Lucid giveaway soon as well. I've done the Futures Elite, I've done the Blue Guardian, I've done an Apex. After I do this Blue Guardian giveaway, I think we do a Futures Elite giveaway. I think we do a Lucid giveaway when my Discord hits 1,000 members. We're at 558, so we have to like double. I think we can do it though. I just got to be a lot more entertaining, but I think we can do it. But yeah, make sure y'all are in the Discord description down below. I'm gonna do a Blue Guardian giveaway for y'all boys. 50K. Blue Guardian is futures, but they were CFD and they just released futures. And then I personally spoke to them to leave a lot of the countries that future prop firms keep banning. I told them to unban them so y'all can have a chance. Blue Guardian is a futures trading firm, guys. Did I get any payout from Blue Guardian? No, not yet. I'm still trading with them. I haven't gotten a single payout from them, guys. They're new. I started trading them, what, last week? I'm still trading with them, boys. I wouldn't lie to you. I haven't gotten a payout from them. I'll let you know when. Ah, fuck. Ah. Fucking piece of shit. Fuck me. What was I saying? Shit. Yeah, no, I haven't. I haven't gotten a single payout from them. But they will pay you out. Because I know my some of my boys who have gotten a payout from them. But obviously I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna get a payout and show y'all. And you're a new firm, they wouldn't want to do shit like that because then, like, for example, if one of y'all say that they never gave you your payout, how was my weekend? My weekend was really good. My weekend was really good. I took a dub during Asia session on Thursday and I slept like a baby on Friday. I slept like a goddamn baby. Oh. You see? There we go. Them, Binkos, whatever. I've gotten a payout within 24 hours from them. Oh, 8 hours actually. Yeah, I know they pay out. I just can't say that they've paid me out because they haven't yet. But when they do, I'll let y'all boys know. But I know they pay out. I know they do. And I personally know some of the guys running the back end stuff. That's how I was able to get Nigeria and all these other countries unbanned. If they don't pay you out, they're going to hear from me. Because I know them. So y'all will be fine. If y'all rock with me, y'all will be fine. Y'all will be fine. Yeah, Nigeria is not banned. So is everything bullish except gold? Even gold itself looks a little bullish. Temporarily. Like, let's really look at it. We just swept out this low. We have this high and this high that gold might want to go to take out. Let's draw a fib from here to here. 50% mark is this high up here. So we can look to either aim for that or look to get a reversal off of this high. Man, sometimes I love trading. You can really like tell a story. And it's so good when the story comes together. drop down to the 5-minute. Guess what? This high is London high. This high is Asia high. Where are we bouncing from? Asia session low. So what can we infer? We want either come down, sweep to take out our levels to continue going lower. That's one. Or we wait, price to take out our levels, then continue going lower. That's the second option that we can trade. Or we wait for price to take out our level, accumulate just a little bit, blah, 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 do a manipulation, then distribute higher, and that's the second trade we take. Why? That's only if price wants to come fill in this new week opening gap here, which it might want to do. But boom, analysis on gold. Just like that. I think it's looking a little bit more tricky. Second option is what I thought would happen. Yeah. I think we take out these highs. Yeah, I think that's what's going to happen. What time is it? 7:55. God damn, my stomach hurts. What did ES do? ES looks promising. What does NQ? Well, you have to wait. I can guarantee you this leg, I feel like this leg is damn near manipulation. Because it didn't sweep anything. It didn't sweep anything. I think you get manipulated here. Yeah? There we go, Ben. You're welcome. Let's see if I can help at least one person. That's what I do it for. You're very welcome, Ben. You can see sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right, but that shit doesn't matter, man. If you're able to catch trades, good trades, and take it slow, take it seriously, boom. But yeah, I think we just wait right now. We just wait. Has any one of you guys grabbed the Apex 250K accounts? I couldn't find them anymore. I was trying to grab some more and I couldn't find them. I don't even know if they're still doing the deal or not. Let me check. You're in Nas buys 100. Yeah, Nas 100's buy. What do you think about that? I mean, as a newbie, you stick to the 50K. Looks like a G-shaped recovery, a V-shaped recovery on the 5-minute for Nas. Yeah, it definitely does. It definitely does. But look at this, right? Market open comes at 8:30. the market open's going to do one of two things, which is extremely gambling, right? So what's going to happen is it's currently 7:55, right? We're going to start doing this. Then market open's going to come and your trade's either just going to win, or market open's going to come and your trade's going to do this and then win. That's usually what happens when I start trading NAS around this time. But I want us to wait and see. I see the V shape. I genuinely see the V shape. It's there. I see the V shape. Trust me, I see it. I can see the V shape. It looks like straight accumulation, manipulate lower, V shape recovery back to the upside. But you genuinely, like, market opens about to come. You have to wait and see. You have to wait and see. If it wins, it wins. If it loses, you'd be mad. Trailing drawdown, I'm not touching that Apex 250K. Hey guys, remember when I was trading the take profit trader? I was trading the take profit trader 150K. I had the take profit trader 50K. I was pulling in like 10, 15K a month from take profit trader. They were intraday trailing drawdown. How? How did I beat them? How did I beat them? Before Apex brought in end of day drawdown, we were trading intraday trailing drawdown. How? 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio is your friend. I already teach y'all how to do that. If y'all are a newbie trader and you're trying to see how to, if y'all are, a newer trader and you've been trying to figure out how to pass an eval, get a payout, whatever, you should be trading 1-to-1 risk to reward ratios. That's exactly how I beat intraday trailing drawdown. It's so easy. With the 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, dividing your drawdown into 4, or maybe if you're more conservative, 6, divide that drawdown into 6 trades. So if you lose 6 trades in a row, you blow the account. Go for 1-to-1s. In 2 weeks' time, 3 weeks max, you pass the eval. Now, obviously, if you don't want to take that long on an eval, then you can increase your risk. Make it 4 trades, 3 trades, and then you blow the account. But it's all up to your risk tolerance. In a week or so, you pass the eval. 2 weeks max, you pass the eval. You keep going for a 1-to-1 till you're past the buffer. Then you now find a really, really good trade, and then you hold a little bit longer because now you're past the buffer. You just got a 250K account in 1 month and traded it properly. That's how you get rid of intraday trailing drawdown. Just gave y'all some sauce. And it works. Woo! Come on, Ben. Dae, I didn't see where to input your code on Blue Guardian. You can just use the link in my bio. I think it'll work the same. Just use the link in my bio or a link in the comments here. What's my bias? I'm bullish on damn near everything. I'm bearish on gold, but I want bears at these highs or this high. Yeah. Okay, MNQ trade is winning. MNQ trade is winning. Let's see how long it wins though. Will it do this and then hit break even? Let's see. I hope y'all really do win. Let's see. Gold? Gold is moving. Are you talking about gold? NQ? Yeah, NQ's moving in a downtrend, but look at what it just took. It left relative equal highs above while sweeping out a low. And then on ES is literally trending higher. Like ES is in an uptrend, NQ's kind of slow, small downtrend. Yeah, go for a 1-to-1. Yeah, same here. That's what I'm waiting on for gold as well. I'm going to be extremely patient today. I don't need to rush anything. Like, look at the day. Look at the week. Guys, think about it. If you rush something today, you might get cooked the rest of the week. Look at the week. CPI, PPI. Then Thursday and Friday are good. So it's like you really, really need to be picky today on what you take on your prop firm accounts. Except if you're trading an eval and you don't care about this eval. Guys, to me, do as I say, not as I do. To me, evals is damn near like paper trading, right? It costs $50, $40. I don't really care about it. So if you see me take a trade and it's on an eval versus you see me take a trade and it's on my funded, and I'll let y'all boys know, is that real align that with he paper traded versus he really traded. All right, like, so if I'm willing to try this, but only on evals. No, it's a risky setup. Do I believe in the 15-minute orb strat? I know it. I know it. If gold sells off, sweeps out this low and taps this level, I might look for buys, yeah. Up to London highs. If it doesn't do that and just taps London highs, I'm looking for sells. That's my bias. But if anything, realistically, I wanted to go past London highs. I wanted to go a little bit higher past London highs. I'm going to be real. But that's my bias on gold. While on NQ, my bias is I'm waiting for market open. That's my bias on NQ. Market open will tell me where it wants to go, and then I'll catch a continuation from it. I've been doing that recently for a quick 25, 50 points. Been working, not gonna lie. Yeah, it works. I'm telling you, if you trade a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, you can beat most firms. You can. You can beat most firms. They'll start moving you to live. They'll start, what's it called? Like, you can beat most firms. Intraday trailing drawdown, I've never been scared of that. I've never, ever, ever been scared of that. Just go for your 1-to-1. Be disciplined. So let's say you were in this trade right now. You're in a long position here. Stop loss here. Your 1-to-1 is up here. As price has been moving, you're trailing your stop loss. You're trailing your stop loss, trailing your stop loss, trailing your stop loss, trailing your stop loss, trailing your stop loss. You always want to be risking 1-to-1. And if price comes and stops you out, you only lost the $500 that technically you're supposed to be losing. It's like intraday is so easy to beat. I want to start playing YouTube on my streams. I mean, I want to start playing music on my streams, but I just don't know what YouTube would demonetize and shit. I mean, I barely make any money from streaming, but something. Can y'all guess how much I get paid from YouTube streams per stream? Can y'all guess how much? NQ, I'm waiting for market open, yes. GC, I'm waiting for some type of short-term move. $10, I wish. Less than that. 2 cents, okay, it's more than that. $30, hell no. I get paid about $5 per stream. Yeah, there we go. Quazin got it. I get paid about $5 per stream. So it's like, I'm definitely doing this shit for the love of the game. And also to help some of y'all out. That's not terrible. I mean, $5 to sit down for 2 hours to talk to y'all. I mean, obviously I like talking to y'all, but that's $2.50 an hour. That's horrible. But then again, it's also doing what I love. It's also growing my community. It's also me trading. So it's like, technically, I guess it's different. And in the long run, it'll help my channel get more exposure. I know there's a lot of benefits to it. That's why I do it. Dae, how often do you pass evals when you buy an account? Lost 5 this month. I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. I don't pass evals how I tell y'all to pass evals anymore. And I don't want to give y'all this advice because it doesn't relate to y'all. I really don't want to give y'all this advice because I wouldn't be a good influencer or a good mentor to tell y'all to do that. So I would just say, take it slow, buy one account, take a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, divide your drawdown into 4, $500 per trade, and take only one trade every single day, no matter what, just one trade. And it might take you a full month to pass, but you pass. That's the advice I would give you. Me, I've blown more evals than you, gang. But I don't trade them how I tell you to trade them. So, I'm not going to give you that advice. Everybody's situation is different. For example, if I wanted 5 Apex accounts straight to funded right now, what I would do is I would go buy 10. I would go buy 10. Asia session will come because I usually do them during the Asia session. Asia session will come and then I'll risk the max drawdown on 5 and see if it passes. If it fails, then I have another 5. See if I find another setup and I'll risk the max drawdown on those. And if it passes, boom, I'm funded. And then I now trade properly on my funded. That's not the advice I'm gonna give to y'all though. Please don't do that. You need to have like capital to burn and spend and not care if you lose. Is there news today? No, there's no news today. Whatever happens, no, it's either Trump or whoever. No news today. Dae, I am passing evals within a week, but unable to reach payouts. Yeah, to link accounts, you need Trade Copier. I recommend Trade Syncer or Trade Copier. I've tried both. I'm currently using Trade Copier right now. I still have my subscription to Trade Syncer, but I'm trying to see which one is better before I cancel the other. Dae, I am passing evals within a week, but unable to reach payouts. What methodology are you using to pass evals? Are you doing it aggressively? Or are you doing it conservatively? If you're passing within a week, I'm guessing you're semi-aggressive. If gold can sweep out these lows here, top our level, and believe it or not touch London lows. I don't want London lows to get touched. This is an easy long setup back to London highs. Like easy long setup. As long as London low stays intact, this is an easy long setup on gold. If we get it. Well, on NQ, I told y'all I told y'all I really think NQ is going to chop around till market open. I told y'all boys. Let me send an announcement really quick. Let me send an announcement. 1, 2, 3. At everyone. Gotta at everybody. Copy link. Paste. All right. Did another boost. Let's see if more people join the stream. They'll probably join tomorrow if I post gambling CPI or some shit like that. Oh shit, 42 viewers. That shit jumped. Okay. But look, this is exactly what I said might happen. That's why you don't trade before market open for real. So now it's, what time is it right now? It's currently 8:16. We want to see the market's about to open in about 15 minutes, 14 minutes. Let's see how it reacts. Hey guys, I asked this question, AG Trades, I asked this question about like an hour ago damn near. Make sure y'all fast forward through the stream. Every time it puts you through an ad, you're gonna be delayed. So make sure you skip through the stream. But in evals, $500 per day. Risk and daily target is 1,500. And when it comes to funded, I am attached to profits, closing positions early or frequent entries to recover the losses. I do not know how. Then you need to try set and forget, AG Trades. You need to try set and forget. Or if your trade involves you managing your position, you might need to switch over to a 1TP type of trade, just solely till you build back confidence. If your edge is that you set multiple TPs, you currently can't play out your edge because you keep sabotaging it. So therefore it's not an edge, regardless of how well it works in evals or demo or whatever. If you can't use it, then you don't have an edge. So you need to switch up your strategy to something that you'll be easier able to do. Go for 1TP. Something like that, I'm not sure. Look at that NASDAQ trade that y'all were so sure would win. I don't trade head and shoulders. And there's no liquidity sweep on these. This was technically a head and shoulders here and it failed. Shoulders, head, shoulders. Isn't it supposed to dump? That's just a pattern. They're all patterns. It's our job to filter through the patterns and pick the right one. Would you look at that? NQ's dropping. Guys, make sure you fast forward through the stream if y'all are behind. I think y'all are behind. Yeah, I journal my setups for sure. I journal my setups, but you check my countdown timer regularly. Yeah, I journal my setups, but I journal them a little bit differently. So I journal eval trades versus funded trades, and then I do overall weekly recaps as well, like what I actually thought were good setups this week versus bad setups and all of that stuff, because my strategy has a systematic approach to it, but there's also hints and bits of discretion. And the only way to train discretion is to increase your pattern recognition, like awareness or whatever that shit's called. So whenever I'm journaling, I journal those 3 ways. And then my weekly review with my Discord as well on Saturdays helps a lot. I do weekly reviews with my students on Saturdays, and then we go over all the trades that week during London, New York, and freaking Asia. We look over everything, look over some trades, where we messed up, what to improve, what to look for coming into the next week, all that fun stuff. All of that coming into place, it's one big giant journal. What am I seeing on gold? London highs. That's what I'm seeing. I see London highs on gold. I actually see Asia highs on gold. I don't know if we're going to take it though. But this trade is, if we were to get a long setup, just so y'all know, we would be trading against the trend, which is very, very dangerous. So yeah, London highs, then sell is what I'm really looking at on gold. But I am willing to take a long to those London highs, because if gold wants to fill in this new week opening gap, it will. Colby, good morning. Well, guys, today's remember what today is. Remember what today is. Like, be careful. Don't force anything. Just don't force nothing. Don't gamble. Don't force anything. MGC, there's nothing going on. See, guys, we're just avoiding chop. New York, I told y'all boys, like, don't have FOMO. Look at NQ. Don't have FOMO. I'm longing this. If they were winning, what would they be saying in the chat right now? I'm up 2,000. Great trade. I'm up this. I'm up that. And then a lot of y'all will feel FOMO. And then you'll be like, damn, I didn't place a single trade, whatever, whatever. But now you're losing and the chat is quiet. I'm not trying to call them out or be mean, but the chat is quiet. Do you see anybody talking about this long setup on NQ? It was V-shape, wasn't it? Wasn't it V-shape, guys? Why is nobody talking? This was V-shape, right? They're not talking because the trade is losing. That's how trading is. So whenever you see me ignoring setups, just know I'm doing that for a reason. Like, what? But let's see, though. Let's see. We wait till after market open. If market open rewards them and they win, then we just keep looking. If market open dumps down and sweeps out some more lows, they lost, and then we see how it reacts. We just really need to wait till market open. We don't know what NQ wants to do. ES is extremely bullish, so I am bullish on NQ as well. But like we said, let market open come, and we'll see what's going on. I don't want to gamble anything or rush anything. This looks like a beautiful continuation long entry on NQ, except it's right before market open. Remember, this trade is not bad at all. We're rejecting off a 1 hour gap. We've inversed this 1 hour gap up here. We have the new week opening gap that, damn, technically it filled it. Oh shit. Yeah, technically it filled the new week opening gap already. It doesn't have to go back up there. But I think it will, because we have relative equal highs here. And ES is just more bullish. But we'll see. We'll see. Watch this shit just dump and flush. Do I consistently have profitable months? I've had losing months. Let's see, we got 2 minutes, 30 seconds to market open. Gold's not going to react. It's only an NQ and ES. You're either going to see a massive candle to the upside or a massive candle to the downside or nothing at all, actually. I low-key think this shit dumps. I'm going to be real. I low-key think this shit dumps and stops all these people out. That's the closest liquidity to it. It's the closest liquidity. It's going to take it. If this low gets taken, then we're bearish for sure. 47 viewers. Come on, NQ. What you gonna do? Make your move. Four-hour FEG. Market open. 27 seconds. NQ, what you gonna do? If it's whipsawing and going crazy, I'm not looking for a setup on that shit. What you gonna do, NQ? They winning? Are they gonna win? Damn, I think it wants stop losses. Yep. It definitely wants stop losses. But ES is ripping though. You see why you can't trust these niggas? Boom, stop loss. Yeah, stop loss. I told them to wait. They wouldn't listen. Look at gold. I told you, gold doesn't really react off market open. So if you're in a trade on gold, you'll be fine and stuff. Now it's going after hitting your stop loss. ES is pumping. Could low-key just be an SMT. NQ's failing to pump while ES is moving. See the predicament I'm in? And gold isn't moving either. Gold's not moving. So our trade might be on NQ or ES today. NQ and ES. NQ is not moving either. Even though ES is absolutely getting pumped. Let's see how it reacts over here in Asia session high. Damn, like NQ has no interest going up there. I really think this is about to be what's it called? A giant SMT. I think these niggas are about to dump. $15-minute FEG here. But this just looks like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? NQ's dumping. This looks like massive SMT. I think we're dumping, guys. I think we dump. Let's lock in. Remember, we're not FOMOing into anything. The market just opened. Like literally, it's only been like, what, 3 minutes? That's how you get cooked. Let it tell us more. But this so far looks like a massive SMT to me. I want to see what how ES reacts over here at London session high. There's a high liquidity area. NQ is just dumping. Remember, if this dump is holding, this is a massive, massive, massive SMT. That means it's gonna dump far. What is going on, ES and NQ? ES looks so bullish. NQ looks so bearish. Is this what was needed from ES? NQ? ES is dragging NQ with it. But so far, this is a bearish SMT. Yeah, NQ is very bearish. This is a bearish SMT. I just don't like what ES is doing. It's kind of confusing me a little. Why are you pumping? Just for you to be dumping. Trendline liquidity here. Okay, let's see if this thing can give us some type of pullback entry. Why? I don't see anything on gold. What happened here to give me a gold buy? Yeah, today's looking like it, but hold on though. We just have to be patient. The market just opened. Just don't force anything, but y'all can see I'm visibly confused. Why is ES pumping? Yeah, ES is rejecting London highs. I like this rejection of London highs here. It's just how far will ES dump though? How far will you dump? Will you dump all the way back to this low? Or is ES bullish and it's gonna drag NQ with it? Like, this is what happens when your pairs, they're not correlating. It makes it really confusing on how to trade it because they're not correlating. Okay, I think ES is starting to do the dump now with NASDAQ. I broke the rules. Dun, dun. Yeah, NQ and ES are not, like, this looks so horrible. I don't know what's going on. Let's just look at gold. And then gold is chopping. Yeah, what's up with these markets? This is what I'm looking at on gold. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. NQ and ES, we're staying extremely, like, extremely patient. Like, very, very patient. This 1 hour is about to inverse in 20 minutes. And there's no doubt in my mind, I think NQ is bearish. So, okay, will you come sweep out some liquidity and go lower first? You want to come sweep out some liquidity? No? Confusing ass setup. Confusing ass shit. Let's see what gold's doing for us, baby. Gold swept. Gold swept this low, but we didn't tap our level, and I don't really like that. But it's low-key the best thing we have so far all of today. Gold swept the low. Nice clean reaction. No level tap though. If NQ dumps, that shit's gonna flood. So NQ, what we're just gonna be waiting for is some type of retracement. We're not really looking to long this. ES, you're looking to long ES, so I don't know. I'm just gonna look at gold. Oh, fuck me. Oh. Come on, gold, tap our level. Tap our level. Tap my level. Come on, gold, tap my level. Go lower. Lower, there we go. Lower. Hey, by the way, I do see that head and shoulders forming here. Head, head, and then shoulders, and then for it to break out or whatever. But told y'all bearish, it was so clear as day. This hasn't done anything yet. It's coming right back down to this level. You don't know yet. You don't know anything yet. Until it starts breaking through and trading lower, then you can tell that it's bearish. You don't know anything yet. Look how many times it bounced from here. 1, 2, 3. It could easily make it a 4th. You don't know yet. You have to wait. Look how many times it bounced from this level. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, sure, you probably could have taken this 1 minute IFEG on ES, but it's probably not even going to win because ES is so bullish, but NQ is so bearish. Like, so bearish. Like, heavily bearish. I wanted this shit to really tap my level, man. Come on. Oh, you're talking about NQ? Yeah. NQ looks dog shit bearish. Yeah, you were right. Completely right about NQ. NQ looks dog shit bearish. It's gonna keep ripping lower. We might be able to take this on ES, but the setup is just weaker. But you genuinely might be able to, we might be able to take this on ES. Very, very risky though. Thoughts on GC? I wanted it to top my level here. I still need it to come a little bit lower because my level hasn't been touched. It didn't touch my level. I don't know why it didn't touch my level. So if it wins, I'll be a little annoyed, but it didn't touch my level. I'm expecting another bounce off Asia low. I actually don't want London low to be swept. I was just expecting another little innocent bounce. Ride it for a 1-to-1 or something. Equal lows at the top. I truly think if you take this inversion here, you might get cooked. Wait, actually. Untapped 4-hour gap. Hold on, you guys are distracting me. I think you can get a small bounce here back up into this 1-hour gap. I don't want London low to be swept because London low already swept something. London low already swept this Asia low and continue going higher. So if this wants to keep up this bullish trend, then it shouldn't put in a lower low. It should simply just bounce here and continue higher. This could give a not horrible setup. Okay, we tapped the level. Let's see if gold wants to keep ripping lower. A setup on NQ is occurring. It's just very, very dangerous. I don't know if ES might drag. ES looks extremely bullish, and then we're getting a setup on NQ. And ES still has Asia highs to go up to. You look on the 15-minute time frame, just swept this lower low. And go ES and NQ, what are y'all doing? Yeah, I see it on XAU. I see it, but it's moving a little too fast for me. What are we doing, XAU? You want London lows? I don't really want you to take London lows, but you can have it if you want it. Yeah, I want London lows. I just took all of that. I think today's a sell day. London low has been taken. Yes. Let's see what it does. Will it bounce or will it keep going lower? Will it bounce or will it keep going lower? It's bouncing. It's bouncing. Let's see. Remember, you're trading against the trend on this, so go light. Golly, how wide is this stop? Let's see if this can bounce and hold. I want it to go up to these relative equal highs here. That's a nice, beautiful reaction as well. Relative equal highs here. Very, very relative equal highs. Remember, I'm going for very, very short term. I'm not expecting a complete reversal. Just want to get a quick little scalp and I'm out. Three-minute. See the 4-minute. Nothing on the 4-minute, 2-minute. Got 3-minute and 2-minute lining up. Yep. Yo, Bash is calling it out too. I'll take this 3-minute. But you gotta manage really, really well. This is a sweep of a low, of a high, and then dumped. Let's see if we get it. I'll take this 3-minute. This will be my trade of the day. I have a Discord. I gotta pee. I gotta hurry up. This shit needs to hurry up and close so I can go pee. Come on, gold. What you got for me? Nothing? Absolutely nothing. What's NQ doing? Freaking reversing. Okay. Give me a second, y'all. I gotta use the restroom. Okay, we're back. Hey, NQ 5-minute as well? NQ 5-minute? NQ 5-minute, guys? It's ripping. Or y'all committed to gold? Y'all committed to gold? NQ 5-minute? Gold is dumping. We might get NQ, which is definitely riskier. Will this give us a pullback? You want to get this before this hourly hits. This is getting ridiculous. Gold 3-minute. Holy pump on NQ. I think it'll retrace and give you an entry. Gold is dumping. It's gone. Our gold is gone. Why would you get in on gold? We didn't get an entry. Oh my goodness, this market. What are we doing? What are we doing? NQ retrace, give me an entry. I think we're gonna go for this untapped 4-hour. Is that where you wanna go, NQ? Untapped 4-hour? I'll try out this 3-minute. I'll test it out. What time is it? It's 9:02. I do gotta go. I'll test out this 3-minute if we get filled. Wow, no fill? No fill? Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. We got filled. This could potentially hit our stop loss. Could potentially hit TP. Who knows? I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go to the gym. This is the trade of the day. If it hits stop loss, I'll let y'all know. If it hits TP as well, I'll also let y'all know. Anything at this 1 hour, whatever, I'm going break even. But slow day today. Very, very slow day. CPI next week and all of that, so y'all be careful. Deuces. Peace.